I don't wanna say anything, cause if I do I might say the wrong words. Oh no. So I'll keep my mouth shut and not listen. Afraid I'd lose you if I didn't. Till we find what we're missing and compromise. So I'll keep my shoes on and not leaving. We're on thin ice, winter season. Can't we find a single reason not to say goodbye?
1-2 Whiskey, Roger. Just hold your present altitude then until you're able to get them in sight.
Roger that, 3,300, 1-2 Whiskey. Orlando, November 8-4 Golf Alpha, just had a drone fly by.
November 8-4 Golf Alpha, Roger. And did you have to take any evasive action?
Did not have to take evasive action.
November 8-4 Golf Alpha, thank you. It's very helpful. Do you know about the approximate size or the color? That would be helpful.
The drone was gray and approximately a foot and a half diameter.
November 8-4 Golf Alpha, thank you.
November 8-4 Golf Alpha, contact Page Tower. Have a good day.
Contact Page Field Tower, 8-4 Golf Alpha.
849 Romeo Sierra, contact.
Page Field Tower, Lancair, November 8-4 Golf Alpha. With you 15 miles to the northeast, inbound for landing.
Lancair 8-4 Golf Alpha, Page Tower, report 3 mile final, runway 23.
We'll report 3 mile final on 23, 8-4 Golf Alpha.
First 504 Alpha, Page Tower, fly runway heading, runway 23, clear for takeoff.
Runway heading, 23, clear for takeoff, 504 Alpha.
Alright, now let's bring these speed brakes back in, gear coming down. Page Tower, Lancair 8-4 Golf Alpha, at 3 mile final.
8-4 Golf Alpha, Page Tower, number 2, runway 23, clear to land.
Number 2, 23, clear to land, 8-4 Golf Alpha. Okay, I've got gear. Need to get it down to about 105 knots. I'm going to do a quick visual check on the headlights on. 3 in the green, looks good.
Good morning, Tower. It's helicopter 765, Mike Charlie with India. At the incinerator, Southside transition, please.
765 Mike Charlie, Page Tower, Southside transition through the Deltas approved.
Southside's approved for 5 Mike Charlie, thanks.
500.
Keep us at 105 knots, just a little bit high here. Bring it down a little bit.
Page Tower, 220 Bravo Alpha, visual 23.
Citation 220 Bravo Golf, Page Tower, runway 23, clear to land.
23, clear to land, 220 Bravo Golf.
All set for go around. Coming in, power back, flare. Plenty of runway here, let's make this smooth.
Lancair 8-4 Golf Alpha, Tower, where are you headed?
Going to the FBO.
I don't wanna say anything, cause if I do I might say the wrong words. Oh no. So I'll keep my mouth shut and